a wonderful property situated within a well-established neighbourhood of northeast Toronto's Agincourt community. Welcome to 27 Scotland Road. Set back from the street, this 3-bedroom brick bungalow has a nicely sized front yard as well as an exceptionally deep backyard lined with mature trees. With mainly east and west facing exposures, natural lighting is in abundance inside the home, and with its spacious interior is an ideal renovation project, while the premium property size offers the opportunity for a newly built custom home. On the main level, the original hardwood flooring can be found throughout the dining area and in the bedrooms, as well as under all the existing carpeting. The washroom is finished with accessibility needs in mind, and the home includes a stackable front-load washer and dryer, a fridge, and a stove, while the lower level has an incredibly spacious footprint and its own separate side door entrance. This home enjoys a great location in a neighbourhood that has a wealth of prime amenities, many that are within walking distance or just minutes away by car. North Agincourt Junior and Sir Alexander Mackenzie Senior Public Schools, Agincourt Collegiate Institute, and St. Bartholomew Catholic Elementary School are all within walking distance, while both Centennial College and the University of Toronto have campuses within a 16-minute drive for post-secondary studies. Some of the nearby recreational and community amenities include the 18-hole Tam O'Shanter golf course, arenas, indoor-outdoor sporting venues, as well as Havendale and Donalda parks, with the Toronto Pan Am Sports Centre and the Lamoureux Sports Complex a 6 and 11-minute car ride away, respectively. The Agincourt branch of the Toronto Public Library is also very close, as are numerous places of worship, while both Scarborough Grace Hospital and Scarborough General Hospital are 7 and 13-minute drives away. For day-to-day needs, within the area are grocery stores such as Farm Fresh Supermarket and No Frills, as well as many specialty food stores, CIBC, Scotiabank, BMO, and TD for banking, numerous restaurants, including fast food chains, cafes, and fine dining establishments, as well as retailers such as Walmart, Shoppers Drug Mart, the LCBO, and Bulk Barn, while major shopping destinations such as Kennedy Commons Plaza, Scarborough Town Centre Mall, and Fairview Mall are within a 15-minute drive. With TTC service routes on Kennedy Road, Midland Avenue, and Huntingwood Drive, commuters also benefit from the proximity of the Agincourt GO station, which is a 16-minute walk or 4 minutes by car, while access to highways 401 and the 407 via Kennedy Road are just 9 and 15 minutes away, respectively.